Exciting news for Red Oak residents. Farmers Mutual Telephone Company, FMTC, is expanding its high-speed fiber internet project in the city this fall. This is part of their ongoing City Fiber initiative, which aims to bring reliable, high-speed internet to more homes in the area. But here's the really impressive part. The first phase of the project, completed earlier this year, made fiber internet available to around half of the residences in Red Oak. And the majority of those who signed up are thrilled with the speed and reliability of their new service. FMTC CEO Kevin Cabbage shared some details about the upcoming expansion. Crews will be working on approximately 17 blocks on the south side of East Oak Street and the north side of West Elm Street. They'll also be focusing on the east side of North Boundary and the 1200 block of North 8th. To make the deal even sweeter, FMTC is offering a special launch promotion for new customers. Sign up now and you'll get 250 megabytes symmetrical fiber for just $49.95 a month for 2 years, plus waived installation and basic router fees. Not a bad deal, right? But here's where it gets controversial. Despite the obvious benefits of high-speed fiber internet, only about 40% of eligible households in Red Oak signed up during the first phase. And in nearby Clarinda, that number was even lower at around 20%. So what's holding people back? Is it a lack of understanding about the benefits of fiber internet? Or are people just resistant to change? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. One thing is clear, FMTC is committed to bringing better internet to the area. In addition to Red Oak, they're also working on similar projects in Clarinda and Corning. And while they'd love to move faster, they're taking a measured approach to ensure the project is completed efficiently. What do you think about FMTC's City Fiber initiative? Are you excited about the prospect of faster, more reliable internet in your community? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more or signing up for service, visit myfmtc.com/construction